quite a useful thing, especially if you're preparing something and you want to watch the video. Creality Cloud Find, a phone holder for kitchen cabinet. Let's print it. It is a relatively simple print. I'm gonna use 2 walls. It's gonna fill in completely inside, so 4 walls in total and just 50 grams of filament. The print is going really well. Just check out that mirror finish and beautiful sound of my Creality 3v3. Well, it is done. Looks nice. It really needs a frame because it's gonna fall down from the build plate. I recommend you to get this tool. It is amazing. It is super easy to attach it. Just place it like this and close kitchen door, and that's basically it. This is it. To be honest, it is not bad at all. Quite a useful thing, especially if you're preparing something and you want to watch the video. The only thing which I would change when I print it the next time is I'm gonna do a bit thicker because I'm using a PETG and it is a bit more on the flexy side, so it is jumpy a bit. I don't like that. I'm gonna just increase the thickness and it's gonna be good. So it is a Creality Cloud Find. Links are down below. Subscribe, like, see ya.